Toyota Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport was revealed in Australia. Underpinning the Land Cruiser range is the first TNGA body-on-frame platform, which delivers overall weight reduction and increased body rigidity, ride comfort and handling stability in all conditions. All Land Cruiser variants are powered by a new generation 3.3-litre V6 twin-turbo diesel engine, producing 227 kilowatts at 4,000 RPM and 700 Nm of torque. The V6 engine is mated exclusively to a segment-first, 10-speed torque converter automatic transmission that improves response and fuel economy, while reducing noise, vibration and harshness. Thanks to its new generation engine, intelligent transmission and weight-saving measures, fuel economy has reduced by 6.3% on the combined cycle, compared with the outgoing V8, to 8.9 liters per 100 kilometers. The 300 series comes with the new generation, multi-terrain select control system, featuring 6 different modes for off-road terrain, 5 in high range and 4 in low range, for ultimate traction in the harshest conditions. Combining with MTS, is the low-speed crawl control function, and the multi-terrain monitor system, which provides 360-degree and underfloor views of the path and approaching obstacles. The latest Toyota Safety Sense technologies include the autonomous emergency braking pre-collision safety system, with new functionality for Land Cruiser, including daytime cyclist and oncoming vehicle detection, nighttime pedestrian detection, intersection turn assist, and steering assist. The prices for the new GR Sport start at $137,790 Australian dollars.